Morogo bonde naendo mwancho mulgeri no kwigana kwa nengari tukori ngari toyareru cyakini ngo kwarigania asemesa ito ya mangana maya chinsa ikomigo regoro mangana yusenchera hero yo wenge nkomanyi kunagete kwateka kurwa chingongo au chinsenene korogongororia aruensemo oyabusi eli anenche kwa Daniel Omwaga. Umurgeria ama ya chinsa ikomicha maragoba ni gotokunya cha kesenchara ya bene kurwa se county ya Nyamira asegati amenyi ibe ensemo ye bunge ya North Mugirango abo bare korwa ebirengerero byabo igoro yo muswada oliho kumurusi abisi mugabana abwe county ya Nyamira homoskamos nyaribo nigo abakokoturwa banibwa asegati ya babarutu amagena nabande gotigerwa chingoma babo kwana hekere kyo nigo bate birenga nigo obaganiti homoskamos nyaribati garabisi haseba gike yobororega kore kino nigo hebikarabye bunge yo byagendera buna byarobeire nonye no guturbano kukaba kwa kwanekibwa asichinsemecho
iyo abu no butoto kumetie kaki karate karamotigo yo aje
Yo yaba uruji amagena bami ndugati no nyuga takiti kende ta kumuli ngora nyoruka ngani de kende bami ndugati yezo mwana nyata yabano bari munya baru
ninjeri nachi kokwana bandorana niko ngunda kwano bumaene amagena mana gocha mangi lakini oyo liaka kakichandi mwateti no mwako yuko nakorera tigatiga siya nari asaba amagena kurutukorwa abantu nyugwete ngo babisire nyumba bakabanda bakanechi bunduki kuchia mugenda ororoini tigatotebe naki amagana imbichi mentite yobono banya orekanirie
Paulo mtakatifu Maria tanokora ku Paulo mtakatifu nkano ayiwe mukachi obu nkano ayiwe mukachi bo bwali amangana aliyo 10 na yamagena impeachment ya rote yo ya nyalibo tuwakanu na bakachi bo bwali nyabara amangana agokora tali maya karo mugambi tigatige
no ya impeachment public participation tunapigwa mawe na ofisi zimefungwa hadi wa Nyabaro tunapigwa mawe. We cannot operate like that. We are ready to die to defend our democracy.
Nyabare duke ya Nyabaru ya nuaroro ya nuani tali kumukani kungwa kwa mjini bwana takabaliga bwana tukunogambi Jega ko beka abantu ngogambi cyo mubono ngakuri Nyabare beka abantu gotombele
Samalieta ngoro kwa Jones Ondicho kurwe county assembly ya Nyamira iga tore ekerenyo MCS office obwari market go twaikaga igamambia namasakaralia yo wicholia elinde abantu ba Nyamira North barua maoni ngoro ya impeachment yo mu governor Nyaribo Amos ekero twaika ikimambia go chinse charenge isatu abatwanya ore ground nkiarenge kiya igo twanyora abantu mbarenge gaiga babekirororo ntwamanye the faction kiyaba beka gaiga katika bande barenge nechinyimbo na bande namagena ya bidi twaira nake twachikora console ku office na kitokora office bato te tochiche to capture ground gunere kero twachiri akabere chinsa sana ne gaiga twanyora abantu nabo barororo but nabo barenge willing ko rwa maoni abo twabaira masakara tugenda to collect their views abago support na abatari go support. I think it's tense a bit lakini rende we are doing fine ikiagara mbaganda to church.
Andega ntongoka county na bataka kuruhusiamo simba kwetu moro
na togotiga nayo ye county ya Nyamira mwantu mulgeria togos kamotu ngobono yokoligia hekerogo okyobora ibwense gwetera setigiti area ye kyama gya Jubilee oyibo igo kabiro mwaziri woborendi waime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigamwachiria abara ibaria abare ime ya serikali asake bolide gesakukyo mugusi gotakera ekura hekyama kiria kya UDA gusyo bochorio boke burengete korekana se chinsema omuchinse ya Kenya. Matiang'i nigo ira chinga kiechyo kobeka tene niganga yaye yokoligia hekerogo kiria kyobora obwara ibwense bwo mwaka w'ekibere 2025.
Na nyinyi wananchi, nyinyi ni watu werevu na tumekuwa pamoja na nyinyi. Sisi kwanza hapa kwa mpaka tumeishi kwa amani bila shida yoyote. Sasa hawa kazi yao imewashinda ni kurandaranda hapa, kutoa pesa na kujigamba. Pesa mchukue yote, lakini nawaomba tafadhali musipigie mtu wa hawa watu kura. Tumekubaliana? You can vote for anybody as long as you don't vote for UDA. Tumekubaliana? Mutapigia UDA kura? Pesa walete, lakini kura hakuna. Tumekubaliana? Sasa mwisho, kwa sababu tunataka kwenda pale chini, wananchi wenzangu na waomba, tuko na safari. Mimi nime announce hapa nitagombea kiti cha urais 2027. Na nyinyi ndio mtanipeleka mbele. Na tukae pamoja tuende mbele. Musitishwe na mtu hapa. Tunaenda kwa hii safari. Mimi ninazungumza na wale wenzangu wa upinzani wote, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mheshimiwa Martha Karua, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa, hiyo timu yote tuko pamoja. Na tutakaa chini tukubaliane vile tutaenda mbele. Ili tusaidie nchi yetu, kwa sababu haya maneno hawa watu wataharibu nchi yetu kabisa. Ama namna gani? Ninawauliza hivi kwa kauli moja. Mumekubaliana na mimi kwamba tutembee kwa hii safari na tutoe hao watu waondoke kabisa? Nionyeshe kwa mkono. Harambee! Harambee! Mumesema namna gani? Eti namna gani? Wanaondoka, na wajue kwamba wanaondoka. La mwisho, wacha niwaambie ukweli nyinyi watu wetu. Hapa ni nyumbani, hapa ni kwetu nyumbani. I have polled these words. Niko na mtu hapa ambaye anafanya opinion poll last 1 month, kila wiki mbili. Nyansiongo, Ekerenyo, Nyamaiya. There is no chance in hell ya mtu wa UDA kushinda hii kiti hata moja.
Mwancho murigireria na gotigara asenseme ya siasa cha kurensemo ya Gusii ni okwana ekerekyo mubunge ebwensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masaba omuske Clive Ombanegi Sairo ningamo chiri abwatani ibomora ibwense William Ruto kubatikana anech campaign chiri abagendete gukora imeyensemeyo asebono aburire amenyi ibensemeyo ogwakira abwatani iba Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi ekura busio bochorio boke ori bonte gokorekana chitarike 22 ekyo omotienyi oyo iga ose chikure ekyo nigo kirakorekane ese ward area ya Nyansiongo area Nyamaiya amo ne ward area ya Kerenyo
ese gitobwate William Samoei Ruto oyo kerege sokongai na bantu bunge na Fred Okengo Matiangi ntobwate kura ya MCA Ntori gwanja montacha gotosekereriga na bana ba minto bakonya gotomukuru Nairobi ali Osoro Joseph Mbuyamono Chiwesa chiribako ba tafadhali Pero Ruto tebirenga echana lyatire terigori kabisa lakini agatogachera na chechi moko nyakoreta wiki entangani egioski mwaigorete ekero nacho tana kibagendi ngigwete mwasugete kaba Hilton wiki enda getebe kepiski mole nchibesa abantu baito bali tari baigo lakini kewekeza kichikura tafadhali mo basa kweba mubekere omuntu begete yanga ya yelo aya muna kwangete mogusupi muna korocho to kobekera mogusu bekera Kevin na ntegerere na aya muna korocho angete Kevin P pangete Kevin P. Lekera mugusu chikure icho. Amangana UDA gusinto tageti. Twaigwana nire? Mangana UDA ntotageti gusiga. Intuntora beka candidate Baringo. Rift Valley PDP te wati candidate. UPA te wati candidate. Na ndo moko kubwati si UDA motuko. Ole ndo moguko. No fimi. Mwasa mukani. Gankore rego. Igomba
ense ya Kenya bono nigo yabekiro boroso bwogosoa asebara yakoba ase erombe yechinse kibwate amagendero yekerengo kigoro mono ye ninkwana ayumara bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto oyotebeti abakenya gwetera ase nkwana yaye yogokwanira ensengima ime gosekorwa ase bunge ya maga gosekorwa magacha mana ye bunge litko oligoro morogoba.
2 years ago, when I delivered my first State of the Nation address, I had a vision to sell. Today, I have a story to tell. A story written not in the quiet offices or the comfort of boardrooms, but out in the blazing sun of our farms, in the dust of construction sites where our affordable homes now rise, and in the grit of our community health workers, doctors, medical professionals who refuse to surrender in the quest for universal health coverage. It is written in the steady hum of our factories, in the determination of millions daring to dream and finance their vision through the Hustler Fund, in the courage of our young people working on housing sites, in the Climate Works program, in the digital ecosystem, and in the bravery of those who, looking beyond our borders, have sought livelihoods abroad to sustain families back home.
Na kwendera gutigara asenkwana yomura bwense ritukuriye goro mwancho murgeria Ruto nigamentre na goteba nga emeroberie miya gosena gotema emeroberie miya bekire ekera ire toborai ase sector ayoboremi nigo yairire lige sakomenta na magori yendagera kwena inse na boigo obonyori ibwe birengo obyigoro obyendagera buna chibando himeyense ya Kenya.
The impact has been phenomenal. Productivity in all our agricultural sectors has gone up. National maize harvests have risen from 44 million bags in 2022 to 67 million bags in 2024, setting the stage for a historic harvest this year of 70 million bags. The results are visible in markets and homes. The price of a 2-kilogram packet of flour has fallen from what it was 250 in 2022 to as low as 130 today. For millions of households, this is meaningful, daily relief. The transformation across our value chains is equally compelling. Tea production has grown, with earnings rising from Kenya shillings 138 billion in 2022 to Kenya shillings 215 billion in 2024.
Mwanchu moyoria di tukeri marioka kumega yomura ibwense gokwandara abakenya kurasa magacha manene eyensa State House nigorero umura ibwense William Ruto abekire na gwetia SAE yechibiri ao kaba machiko bene ritukolia lero mambia kurese nyombene ya State House egati yechibiri chiria abereka bakagwetia ni bire lyo kurigereria nchira yoko rusie bango ime yense ya Kenya. Ruto nigaetia chibiri eche mambia lero asechira chikonga koregasi inse ya matuko 18 aremotwe.
The government and parliament to make doing business in Kenya easy. Under the current Section 29 of the Capital Markets Act, there's a requirement that the shareholding for different players under capital markets, that is stock brokers and investment banks, that the shareholdings are limited by law. Now Parliament decided, for purposes of flexibility and making Kenya more competitive should give those powers, delegate those powers to the Cabinet Secretary so that those decisions are made on flexible basis and to reflect the global markets so as to attract more investments in the Republic of Kenya. The bill is short, Your Excellency, and it provides that it will come into force after 14 days following its assent. Your Excellency, the second bill to come before you is a small one. It's a provisional collection of taxes repeal bill, simply a cleanup of our law book. The last one, Your Excellency, is a government-owned enterprises bill, the GOE Bill 2025. This bill was introduced in the National Assembly by the leader of the majority party, having been received from the cabinet through the Office of the Attorney General. The bill, Your Excellency, introduces new ways in which the government will be making investments in its own entities. It provides for, number one, for a public entity to be, for a government-owned enterprise to be created, there must be a business logic behind it. It must be able to run on its own without being funded by the exchequer. It must be able to run on its own without asking for more money from the taxpayers. The bill also provides, Your Excellency, that there is a list of 65 hitherto state corporations and another 18 which will henceforth be registered under the Companies Act as government enterprises, and they be reformed in accordance with this law. The idea is to streamline the commercial operations of all government enterprises so that it makes commercial sense to the people of Kenya.
Nabono umurai gwe kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Muske Kalonzo Musyoka omochirie serikali boige kiombe kiria kia bochori ni chimbimesi ya Kenya IEBC ase abatebire ni gobare ne kerenga kyogo cha kuiba chikura obo chiobochori oboke obore mutwe kokwana korwa asama ga chama nene ye kiame kyogia Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Foundation SKM ime yo mucho Nairobi SNSM ya Karen Kalonzo ni gatebire nga eiga cha kwene kia hinga chikura chiobochori oboke nchirigo chia koibwa.
Our youth rejected the SHA shift mismanagement that cost their loved ones access to healthcare services. Kenyans from across the country rejected the housing levy that is nothing short of a slush fund, a scam of the highest order. Of course, we'll be going on to clarify that as part of our agenda, we will not, of course, demolish those houses. They belong to Kenyans. We will, however, do away with housing levy, and William Ruto's government has amassed so much out of that. But so far, the signs are not as reassuring as Kenyans deserve. It is time for the Commission to step up for the sake of our democracy, the sake of our country. Marjan receives instructions from State House through the former commissioner who is in charge of ICT, who is Ruto's political advisor. So it doesn't care about the opposition reaching out to us. It doesn't. We would gladly want, by the way, I'm telling you, after all this, we are going to go ourselves and sit with them and tell them it is not about them, it's about the country. Kwa hivyo mambo haya na umuhimu mkubwa sana. Lakini wewe bwana sikiza, sisi hatununui uoga, are we afraid? Leaving registration kits open without clear safeguards risks misuse. The Commission must explain exactly what data these kits capture and ensure strict quality controls, including independent audits once registration closes. Number 5, the transfer of voters must follow the law to the letter. Every transfer should begin with a written request from the voter and only proceed after full verification of residency and compliance with all legal requirements.
Chideka chabutoke na meronge bero mwancho mugera igoro yechinsa ikomi ichia bono margoba abunongo sababu ikyomo erio amangana maya esenchera ayobwe nkolendensa yemo amone chinsa isato chabutuko amangana yanyore esenchera ayobwe kirano na Clinton ondigi hasaba sakibaito amangana maya bagana tokobeke kambi esichingongo a imerogongo rwabusi amanage memo chonerobi kokatra amangana ayu esenchera ere eyobwe kanu kwende kwechakera chinsa ikomi ne moigoro konyororo moroberi bongo dia marekonere edu nyangao mwana mboka munyara gotenga na gokora ichumeye esenchera ere ya bene Brian Achaka Toldi amana Felisas Kabendi na ubadenge mega yemenyoncho kwene kinga amariogi amana chibi cha wiki ere esenchera ere ya bene twara morogoba oromotoereru riatera nenje kwa Daniel Omwaga.